In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a Canva subscription. If you're paying for Canva Pro or Canva for Teams and you no longer need it, the good news is that Canva makes it possible to cancel directly from your account settings. The most important thing is knowing exactly where to look because the subscription controls are not managed from inside the design editor itself. You'll want to start from your main account dashboard so you can access the full billing area without confusion. First, open your web browser. Go to Canva and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen near your profile area and click the settings icon. This opens your account settings, which is where Canva keeps the tools for managing your profile, payments, and subscription details. After that, look to the left-hand sidebar inside the settings area. You'll see several account options listed there. Find and click Billing and Plans. When this section loads, Canva will show you the information related to your current plan, including billing details and subscription information. This is the section you need whenever you want to review, change, or cancel your paid plan. Next, look near the top of the Billing and Plans page for your active subscription card. This will show the type of plan you currently have, such as Canva Pro or Canva for Teams. On the right side of that plan section, look for either the three-dot menu or a Change Settings option. Click that once to open the available subscription actions. From that menu, choose Cancel Subscription. Canva will then begin the cancellation process and show you a confirmation window. At this stage, you may see an option to pause your subscription instead of fully canceling it. That can be helpful if you think you might come back soon, but if your goal is to stop the subscription completely, continue with the cancellation. Click Continue to Cancel, choose the reason that best matches why you're leaving, and then confirm the cancellation. Finally, don't stop until you verify that the cancellation actually went through. Canva should return you to the Billing and Plans page, where your subscription status will now show that the plan is set to end on a specific future date. That message is important because it confirms the cancellation was successful. You'll still be able to use your premium features until the end of your current billing period, and after that, the account